Hi everyone, today we'll learn how to hack your PlayStation 3 with hen and custom firmware. So the files you need in the description, just download them and format your USB to FAT32 and put these files on it. First you need to copy the official firmware and make sure your firmware is updated to 4.09, and then we'll install the custom firmware on it. So join us. Okay, once you copy the file, you just have to go to your PS, plug the USB into your PS, and then go to settings, and go to system settings, and then choose the file that you have just copied. So now follow the procedure, click next, and okay, and wait till it completed.
Moments later.
Before installing custom firmware, you have to choose some things. You first have to stop the auto updates option, and then you have to choose stop the display information as well. It will in like disturb you, and you don't need to update the custom firmware to official again, so that's why I just disable these. Once your PS firmware is updated, now you have to copy the PS firmware custom from the directory I will provide you and place it in the USB. Make sure you format the USB again, or you have to delete the official firmware first and then copy this custom firmware. After that, you will find its custom firmware and then you will choose the custom firmware to install it. Okay, after you will copy the file, just same that update option, the hybrid exploit system, and then you're gonna choose it and click next, and then just wait again till it flash into your PlayStation 3. There you go, your PlayStation is installing your custom firmware. Now let it install. Make sure you didn't do anything in this process, else your PS might get bricked. Okay, after installation, your PS will be reboot. Save. Now let's start the hen. For that, you first have to go to your internet. Make sure your internet is connected, and then we're gonna try the thing. Okay, connect your Wi-Fi. Make sure you're working Wi-Fi, and I'm gonna skip this process and I'm gonna check successfully. Okay, now open your browser. Internet browser and make few changes in here. You have to delete your cache, you have to delete your history, you have to delete your cookies, and you have to delete anything that disturb you, and make sure you turn off this auto of browser option as well. Also make your browser front page as blank. Don't use here anything, so your browser will work faster and it will install the file without any interruption. Okay, after everything clean and you clear the history, delete the history, you have to close the browser and relaunch the browser again. Go to the address. I'll provide that in the description as well, and I'm gonna type it here as well. I'm gonna provide alternative link. Sometimes this link is down, so don't worry, just go to that link. Okay, from that you have to go to your installer and choose your auto installer and install auto. This option, this third option is better. Choose the third option, and if you didn't get, here you go, your hand installer is installing. You just have to click that button after you choosing it. Click on auto hand installer and just wait till it fully installed. It will just take a few minutes depending on your internet speed, just 1 KB or 2 KB or whatever, so don't worry. After that you have to click on auto installer hand again. Initializing, just don't worry about it, and if you didn't get the message that it's done, just click it here again, because sometimes your internet is not giving the speed that they want. So after that, don't worry, your browser will auto close or close your browser. Or if you didn't see this option, just scroll little side and you will get a hand or logo or installation logo. Just click on it and it will down the sign package file. You just have to download this package file, and once it's done it will reboot. Just don't worry. After reboot, your hand logo will be here, and there you go, you have hand enabler. Now you can install any game that you want from your from your IP or from your USB or any package file. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Next tutorial I will guide you how to put the game package file and extra on your PlayStation 3. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comments. Thanks for watching.